Alright, good day guys. Welcome to Edusphere Academy. Today we'll be discussing organic chemistry. So organic chemistry is a course on its own, right? It's a course on its own. So we would be creating a series, and the series will be very detailed and very fundamental on organic chemistry. So we move from the history and development to the naming of organic compound to the different functional group, the homologous series we have, and so on and so forth. So make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell so as to get information about the videos when it drops. Alright, so let's move on. Organic chemistry. So what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the scientific study of the structure, properties, composition, reactions, and preparation of what? Carbon-containing compound. Note that is key. Carbon-containing compound. So while studying carbon-containing compound, we want to study hydrocarbons, but also containing other elements, especially oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and the halogen. So in organic chemistry, while studying carbon-containing compound, we want to take into cognizance of other elements like what? Oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and the halogens, right? And the halogens. So you can also simply say that what organic chemistry is what is the study of the chemistry of all carbon compounds, alright, of all carbon compounds. So what is key? The key element in studying organic chemistry is what? Is carbon. Is carbon, right? So the history of organic chemistry. So the history of organic chemistry can be traced as far back to what? The 19th century, where scientists believed that organic compounds cannot be produced in the what? In the laboratory. Organic compound cannot be produced in the what? In the laboratory. But then, here comes a man named what? J.J. Berzelius. So J.J. Berzelius proposed that organic compound can be gotten from living organisms under the influence of what? A vital force. So J.J. Berzelius proposed, or he said, that organic compound can only be gotten in the presence of what? A vital force. Right. So and originally we know that organic chemistry is the chemistry of compound obtained from living organisms, which includes the plants and what? The animals. Right. So then it was put into doubt by a man named Frederick Wohler. So when James Berzelius said organic compounds can only be produced, they cannot be produced in what? In the laboratory, but can only be produced under the influence of what? A vital force, which is from living organism. Alright. So Frederick Wohler produced urea in the laboratory. So Frederick Wohler produced urea in the what? In the laboratory. So how was urea produced in the laboratory? It was produced under the heating of what? Ammonium cyanide. So when you heat ammonium cyanide up, so you produce what? Urea. So this is the equation of reaction. So we have the molecular formula of ammonium cyanide to be what? NH4CnO under the influence of what? Under the influence of heat. Produce what? NH2CONH2, right? Which is the molecular formula for urea. And this is the molecular formula for what? Ammonium cyanide. So, and also you might be asked to draw the structural formula of urea. So this is the structural formula of urea. So and also the equation of reaction of the production of urea can also be called the Wohler's synthesis of what? Urea. Wohler's synthesis of urea. So note that the vital force theory states that what? Or the vital force theory can also be called what? Vitalism theory. It can also be called vitalism theory. And it states that organic compound can only be produced in the presence of what? A vital force. Organic compound can only be produced in the presence of what? A vital force. Therefore, scientists believe that in the 19th century, but now many organic compounds can be produced in the laboratory, like Frederick Wohler did in the production of what? Urea in the laboratory. So kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and also turn on your notification bell to get them when it drops. Thank you.